Listen, this is soft. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a twist out. I'm going to be using the Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 Miracle Worker, and then I'm going to be using the Taliah Waajid Green Apple and Aloe with Coconut Gel Definer. So with these two products, I'm going to be doing a twist out, and we're going to see how it goes. Hair's freshly washed. I just got out the shower. So nothing's in my hair. I shampoo, conditioned, and I deep conditioned. And this is what is left. My hair feels so much better, honestly. I hope when I do this twist out, it actually like goes good. Because I don't know, for some reason my hair hasn't been really like messing with anything. So we'll see. And I do have oil. This is the Moisture Miracle from African Pride. I love this one. This is just in case I want to trim some shit, okay? Because my hair be acting up. So sometime, I know my hair does need a trim. I'm gonna get it trimmed. Not yet. Don't know when. Whenever in June, I'm gonna try to get it trimmed, okay? But let's get started. So I'm gonna start by drenching my hair in some water, and then I'm gonna part my hair down the middle, and then part it down the sides, just so I can get 4 sections to work with. Once I have my sections clipped away, I'm going to be going with the leave-in in each section. Next, I'm going to do the same thing with the oil and put it all throughout my 4 sections because I have high porosity hair, so I do the LOC method. Once I finished that, I started parting my hair for the twist. I didn't want them too big and I didn't want them too small, so I ended up doing 4 sections in the back, and the first section was just 1 big twist, and then the rest were 2, and the one on top was 1 big twist. With any style you do, just make sure you brush your hair throughout just so it can be smooth and detangled as possible. So once I finished my twist, I did trim a little bit off the ends, but nothing crazy, to be honest with you guys. Hey guys, alright, so it's been 2 days. I did a twist out, and now it's time to take them out. And it feels real moisturized, so that's good. Those 2 products work, and I didn't even test them out beforehand. I should have, but hopefully there's no flakes and stuff like that. Alright, so I'm just gonna take these out. So I'm gonna give him the top of the green from me delighted. Y'all know some of us are ignited. But the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. It's inside, coming like fun. But I'm good for the journey, the journey, the dust to the clock. It's done just you good. It's done just you done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like with the job, but they do my do
ketchup. Oh, yeah, come bear no. So plain bear more. You go do your one time, I break for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God. Make them they talk up, I should they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer. What's up, do? Yeah, go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know, see what you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got the one you console. Anything you wish me. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you talk, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh.
Listen. This is soft. Okay. It's soft. Now, I feel like my hair is a little shapen. Look at this. I don't want to put heat in my hair just to, you know, make it more, I don't know, how I want it. Like, see this piece right here? I don't know if y'all see it. Can y'all see it? Try not to cut it. We'll see. But yeah, the hair is soft. The twist out is defined. I'm not mad at that part. It is super soft. Okay, I'm going to try to tease it out to see what I can get. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. We'll see.
I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make with that feel all over. My feelings still they swing like Django Lover. Feelings still they swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything